In cardiac emergencies, every second matters. High-quality chest compressions are critical to improving patient survival. The Dexup Mechanical CPR system is designed to deliver consistent, uninterrupted chest compressions during resuscitation, patient transport, and emergency care. Why to use mechanical CPR? Manual CPR is physically demanding and difficult to maintain consistently over long periods. Fatigue can reduce compression quality and affect patient outcomes. The Dexup Mechanical CPR device helps provide continuous chest compressions, consistent compression depth and rate, reduced rescue fatigue, better CPR quality during transport, more time for medical teams to focus on advanced life support. The device automatically maintains compression frequency and depth according to emergency needs. Application areas. The Dexup Mechanical CPR system can be used in a wide variety of emergency situations. At the scene of cardiac arrest, in hospitals and emergency departments, during patient movement. Device overview. The system consists of main compression unit, back plate, intelligent control panel, compression arm, compression suction cup, wrist strap, neck band, battery. The device supports continuous compression mode and adjustable compression depth. How to use step by step. Place the patient on a firm surface and begin manual CPR if required. Get the back plate and place it under the patient's chest, aligning with the direction indicated on the plate. Hold the handles on the support legs, open the legs and press down until you hear a click. Adjust the position of the patient and the back plate with reference to the red cross so that the line of the two nipples is at the same height as the cross line, and the left and right distances are equal, which is the correct compression position. The wrist strap is used to fix the patient's wrist and keep hands steady, which provides full exposure to the chest, and we can deliver effective CPR. Press the power button to activate the system. Press the start button to begin automatic chest compressions. The system automatically performs continuous CPR compressions with continuous mode. By changing the settings, you can change the compression mode to 15:2 or 30:2 as per requirements. For either of the modes, device gives beep sounds for last 5 compressions to get ready for 2 breaths for patient, and afterwards 2 long beeps for delivering breath to patient through ambu bag or directly through mouth, depending upon the location of the patient. Compression mode and depth frequency, CPM, can be adjusted according to clinical requirements without stopping the MCPR device. The Dexup Mechanical CPR system helps maintain uninterrupted compressions during patient transport and movement. While transferring the patient, you can secure the patient head with the neck strap. Pull the release ring to separate the connection between upper part and back plate at the end of the compression. The operation is to hold the handle with hands and use the middle finger to hook the release ring to separate the back plate. To remove the battery, pull the battery from the slot and replace it with a new battery in case of damage, as shown in the video. Connect the charging cord to device and attach the plug to the power supply. Switch on the power supply. While charging, the indicator on the battery is red. It turns green when fully charged. Device with full charged battery can operate continually for 120 minutes, that is for 2 hours. Connect the computer to the USB port of the device through the data cable, open the external storage on the computer and export the TXT file. Safety and warnings. Always follow safety guidelines before operating the device. If device malfunction occurs during the operation, immediately switch back to manual CPR. Regular maintenance and battery charging are important for reliable operation. Always ensure the batteries are fully charged before emergency use. DEXUP Mechanical CPR, delivering reliable, continuous chest compressions when every second counts.